The TS200 SDP double sanding machine is one of our best-selling double sanding machines. It is designed for the use of grinding wheels with diameters of 200 mm and is characterized by a maintenance-free and very smooth-running three-phase motor. The stable and adjustable workpiece supports guarantee vibration-free and safe sharpening or grinding of a wide variety of workpieces and materials. The machine is optionally available with a machine stand with emergency stop button, a brake, or an integrated extraction system. Here we have a version with a machine stand, emergency stop button, brake, and integrated extraction system. We also offer a Pro series, which includes a class zone motor that guarantees continuous use. We offer the highest level of work safety as standard, with a laterally closed protective hood and adjustable spark deflectors on both sides. If you opt for the TS200 SDP, we will grant you a full 12-month warranty. All further information and technical data on the TS200 SDP can be found on our website. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.